Welcome back to edquest. In this video, we will talk about majorly used machine learning algorithms. Let's take a quick look at some of the most important and widely used algorithms in machine learning. These are not the only ones, but they are among the most popular and effective. First of all, we will talk about the regression algorithms in machine learning. Linear regression, a simple algorithm that models the relationship between input and output using a straight line. Coming to logistic regression, used to predict binary outcomes like yes or no, or you can say in the form of 0 or 1. Coming to a different type, that is the classification, we have a XGBoost, decision tree, SVN and random forest. In the clustering algorithm in machine learning part, we can say the k-means and the dbScan are the most famous one. These are just a few of the most common algorithms used in machine learning projects. Now we will explore linear regression in more details. It's a go-to method when you want to predict continuous values like price, temperature or salary. Coming to what is linear regression. Linear regression is used to predict a continuous target variable based on one or more input variables. The core idea is to draw a straight line that best fits the data. That line is represented using simple equation, which is y is equals to mx plus c. Let's break it down. Y is the predicted output, also called the dependent variable, and x is the input value, also called the independent variable, where m is the slope. It tells us how much y changes for a unit change in x. C is the intercept, the value of y when x is equals to 0. So that's a quick overview of linear regression. It's simple, powerful, and widely used in real-world scenarios. In the next video, we will dive into types of linear regression models. Thank you.